say rock and roll. Don't you know that we're alone now? I need something to say about rock and roll. Don't you know that we're all alone now? I need something to sing about. Nothing from this tune. Just a 1, 2. I was just counting on that. Yes, sure has been. I start dreaming again. Let's be more and more. Nothing from this tune. I'm quiet in the road. Just a 1, 2. I was just counting on that. Never happened. I need something again. More than this. Thank you guys so much. This has been amazing. I'd say by far the most memorable Warped date on the tour. Definitely. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. We didn't know how this was going to turn out, but this has been amazing. So much fun. And unfortunately, this next song is probably going to put an end to our night. But that's okay, because you know what? There's a good side to it. It only means we're getting closer to the fall when we're coming back.